I've had quite enough of you! Pack your trash and get out of here!
Don't ever show your face here again, you street rat! Be gone!
Dad, Mom, please don't leave me. Please let me stay. Just make it through the night, Petter. Be brave, I won't give up. Excuse me, sir. Can I work for some food, please?
Sure thing, kid. Sweep this patio until it shines.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. These plates will sparkle.
Great job, son. You earned this. Eat up while it's hot.
Thank you so much, sir. This is the best meal I've ever had.
Let me help you with those, ma'am. They look very heavy. Bless your heart, young man. Keep the change.
5 more cans, and I can buy a warm blanket tonight, buddy. Ew, look at the smelly garbage boy. Stay away or we'll get sick. I earn honest money. I have nothing to be ashamed of. 1, 2, 3. Finally enough. Thank you, sir. I won't freeze tonight. Good night, buddy. Tomorrow we will continue to work hard.
Let's grab a quick coffee here, darling. It looks quite peaceful.
Arthur, look over there. That little boy is working so incredibly hard. Hello there, sweetheart. What is your name? Why are you working here?
I'm Petter, ma'am. Welcome to the cafe. Can I help you with anything?
You shouldn't be working so hard. Where are your parents, Petter?
I don't have a family anymore, ma'am. They threw me out a long time ago.
Victoria, I think we finally found him.
Petter, how would you like to come home and be our son?
A real home? With a mom and dad who really love me? Wow, it smells like fancy leather and fresh flowers in here. This is amazing. Is this a castle? Do a king and queen live here?
This is all yours, my sweet boy. Welcome home.
Look at me. I look so sharp. These shoes don't have any holes at all. Buddy, we are in the most beautiful house in the world. Are you happy? I have never seen so much delicious food in my life. Thank you for saving me. Miracles really do happen. Leave a comment if you are happy for me.
We are totally broke. The bank is taking the car tomorrow, and I lost my job.
I want a new tablet! Why can't you just buy it? I hate this house!
Stop whining. We both have to work at this catering company now to pay debts.
I can't believe we are serving food to these rich snobs.
Wow. Whoever lives here must be a billionaire.
You two, take these trays of appetizers to the garden quickly. The guests are waiting.
My back is breaking. This tray weighs a ton. I hate my miserable life.
Cheers, everyone. This is the best party of the season to welcome a new family member. Everyone, I'd like to introduce our beloved son, Petter.
Waiter, please bring some fresh juice for my son right away.
Here is your drink, young master. Enjoy.
Dad! Mom! What are you doing here in these clothes?
Petter? Is that really you? How did you become a billionaire's son?
What is the meaning of this? Do you know these workers, Petter?
Petter, we made a terrible mistake. We love you so much. Please help us.
No, you never loved me. You only loved money and your own selfishness.
Please, Petter. We are so poor. We have nothing left. Please save us.
Karma is real. My true family is right here, with those who loved me when I had nothing.
Security! Escort these cruel people off my property immediately! Get out! Get out!
We lost everything. We should never have treated him that way.
You are safe now, son. They will never be able to hurt you again.
I know, Mom and Dad. I am the luckiest boy in the world to have this family. True love makes a real family. Please always be kind to those around you. What did you think of my story? Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I understand this math problem now. I will study hard to not disappoint you. Go! Look, buddy, I finally did it!
This is the best family vacation ever, isn't it, Petter?
I never thought I would get to see the ocean so vast and beautiful. Hi, everyone. I brought some gifts for you. I hope you like them. cry anymore. I will always be here to share with you. The first day of school is so exciting. I'll try to be the top of the class.
Look at your face, Petter. You look just like a little kitten.
Sleep well, my prince. I love you very much.
I want to be an astronaut one day and fly to the stars. Hello, sir. Do you remember me? I'm the boy who swept your patio.
Oh, Petter. I almost didn't recognize you. I'm so glad you found happiness.
It was thanks to your meal that day that I had the strength to keep going.
Our son is truly a musical genius, Victoria.
We're going to Paris, right, Mom? I'm so excited! 1, 2, 3. Smile! You look so beautiful together. This is a weird taste, but I love experiencing new things. I feel like I'm in the most beautiful dream ever!
Christmas is so warm this year because we have each other, dear Petter.
Oh, wow! A mountain bike! Thank you so much, Mom and Dad! Take this to keep warm. Never give up hope. Secretary, cancel all meetings today because I have to go play with my parents.
One day, all of this will be yours, my successor.
I want to cook a delicious dinner for my parents this weekend. Please enjoy the love steak made by Chef Petter himself. Family is where life begins and love never ends.
Focus on your target and swing the club firmly, son.
I did it, Dad. I got it in on my second try. The sad past is over. From now on, I only look at the future ahead. I dedicate this award to my parents, who gave me a new life. Happy New Year! I wish our family will always be this happy. I want to have a strong body so I can protect Mom and Buddy.
This is your first car. Please drive it carefully on the house grounds.
Her petter is coming! Knowledge is power. I want to learn a lot to help society later. Stay still, buddy. You have to be clean to come into my room.
Oh, no, buddy. You got me all wet, you little rascal.
Do I look like a secret agent? Very cool, right?
Patience is the key to all success in this life, Petter.
Look, Dad! Look, Dad! It's huge! This movie is so good. It reminds me of the first days I met you both. Look, Dad. Is that Venus? It's so bright and twinkling.
You are so skillful, son. These flowers bloom beautifully thanks to you.
This flower is for the most beautiful woman in the world. My mom. Hello, everyone. I hope you have a very happy and successful workday.
Thank you, young master. You are a truly rare and kind soul.
This work is titled Happiness Reborn by the young artist Petter.
You can't catch me. I'm fast as the wind.
Always cherish time, because every moment is a gift.
Thank you for the second chance. I will live a life worth living. I love you so much, Mom and Dad. Everyone, please always believe in love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my journeys. Goodbye, everyone.